Welcome, my dear students, to our English class. Our lesson for today is about citing evidence and making reactions. As a student, you do a lot of readings most of the time, but it is not enough that you read. Oftentimes, you are also asked to answer some comprehension questions based on what you have read. You should also justify that your answers to these questions are correct. Other than that, there are also times wherein you will be obliged to make reactions based on what you have read. In doing so, you need to have a better understanding on how you can cite evidences and make reactions based on your reading materials. In this lesson, we are going to know more about it. Let us first define some vocabulary words before we start the lesson. We are going to encounter these words: text, the main body of a book or any piece of writing; evidence, facts or information that indicates if someone's belief or proposition is true or valid; assertion, a confident statement of fact or belief. When citing evidences in a reading material, you have to look back in the text to find evidences in order to support an idea or answer to a question or make a claim. This will require you to think deeply and analyze. Students like you must practice finding strong evidence to support your idea. Let us now discuss the strategies to help you cite strong evidences in supporting your ideas. First one is comprehension, or read and understand thoroughly. After having a thorough reading of the text, you now need to answer the questions based on your prior knowledge. You will successfully answer the questions if you have a proper understanding of the text. Next is answer based on what you understand. You need to take time to read and understand the text comprehensively. This also includes getting familiar with the questions and the contents of the text. The third is look or cite evidence. The next step is to cite your evidences to support your thoughts and opinions. You can look back at the text and find proof for your answers within the text. And then last is make clarifications or explain your answers with evidence. Now that you have provided evidences that support your answers, you can now explain using your own words. Let us practice citing evidence using this short text from the parable of the rainbow colors. Said the color red, "I am the brightest, for red is the most striking." Why? Life-sustaining blood is color red. I represent courage and bravery. Even love symbols such as heart and roses are colored red. Let us now analyze and cite evidence based on the short text that we have read. The question is, why is red the best color? Your answer is, Red is the best color because it is the brightest, most striking, and liveliest of all. How did you come up with that answer? What are the evidences that helps you find that answer? The color of blood is red, and that blood is life-sustaining for all the people. A flower with red color is much noticeable than other colors. Aside from citing evidences, you must also learn how to make reactions or assertions made by an author. Reactions are made to respond to a text or proposition of the writer. Let us discuss the strategies to make appropriate reactions. First is do not hide your feelings. Making reactions includes expressing your feelings and using the knowledge you have learned from the text. If you express your feelings about what you have read or heard, then you can make a good reaction about it. Second is organize your thoughts logically. You need to organize all your points and then write them logically. Elaborating these points deeply may also help you make good reactions. Next, we have write your reaction. Write your reactions in a detailed form. You may also describe your emotions to give life to your reaction. And then last is never leave your reaction hanging. Make sure that your reaction ends in a way that will not leave the readers wanting for more. Develop a good conclusion to your reaction. That's all for today, class. I hope you learned a lot today. Thank you! Thank you for watching!